Hey, I am Sam. Some people call me Bo. I am a full-time blacksmith at Raven's Keep Forge and also author of the book Metal Never Lies, an introduction to metal magic. So the question is, what is metal magic? And more importantly, what's in it for you? What will it do to help you with your personal practice? And we're going to talk about just that on the other side. Thanks for coming. So what is metal magic? Once again, and possibly more importantly, what difference is it going to make to you? In the book I wrote, as a definition, this is how I see metal magic. It's the use of metals to aid you in your work, using metal to help support you with a desired effect. Sounds pretty simple. And while this is true, it's also so much more than this. Much, much more. Over the years, I have found metal to be an extension of myself. To me, it's more than just simply being an ingredient to a working, right, with capital W. While it can very well be just that, I'm just not sure how simple it is, right? To me, metals is a unique part of my practice. Some of it, I guess, is because it's part of my livelihood, right? I'm a full-time blacksmith. Some of it's because of the physical connection with it. There is an intimacy that I haven't found in any other type of practice. We are connected, the metals I use and I, as well as you. I see it as a standalone practice, one that can be done a part of any journey. As I did the research for the book, there seemed to be some type of metal magic in most spiritual practices globally. Now, my beloved is a trained herbalist, and through the years that we've been together, she would speak to her relationship to the plants. At the time, this got me kind of thinking of my relationship to trees. I have a very fondness for the trees. I think this is what kind of got me started on having that animistic point of view all those years ago. So it really wasn't that hard to go from applying those principles, to metal. The more I worked around metals, the more I was able to start feeling them, healing them, hearing them. There are many mythologies that talk about metals being animate and having spirits within them, and I have no problem with this. I'm a firm believer in it. Each of the metals that I primarily work with has a unique personality and absolutely their very own magic. It takes work to get there, right? It's just like it takes work to be an herbalist or a tarot reader, understanding crystals and all the other different methodologies. So back to the question, what is metal magic? My definition will hold true that we talked about earlier. The use of metals to aid you in your work, right? Capital W. Using metals to help support you with a desired effect. And yes, it's more due to the relationship. That's the work part. So what will it do for you? If you use any metal in your practice, it'll greatly enrich it. It will change and deepen your practice. It'll change the way you see your world and how you interact with it. You'll actually be creating allies, right? That'll help you with your work. We'll talk more about this in other episodes on the different metals and how I see them. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of those. Until next time, thanks for watching.